Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our December/winter Margot Elena, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to Margot Elena, it is a seasonal subscription box. It's a little bit pricey. It is $59.99 plus you pay to ship it. My shipping is $6.95, but it is chock full of $200 worth of bath, body. Margot Elena is an international perfumer and she makes some of the best smelling, most wonderfully decorated products that you've seen. So let's get into it and check out the winter box. I avoided spoilers because there are spoilers now. I avoided them after, I think I looked at the first one and posted it just to let you guys know it was time for the winter box, but it sold out within a couple of days. It's best if you sign up at least a month before they're gonna build the next box because it sells out so quickly. When we open it up, that is what it looks like on the inside. It is so pretty, all things nice. And it is the subscription box. I think it says 17. We get a little piece of paperwork that will just basically tell us what each item is in here. And then when we open it up, you'll see how wonderfully everything is wrapped. Look how pretty. Isn't it so pretty already? We haven't even got it in here and it's pretty and it smells wonderful. I love this box. This is one that I signed up for. Oh, it's been quite some time ago now. I saw it on, I think, Subbox Lovers channel, and I saw it once and I immediately signed up for it. Love it because I love bath and body things, and we have talked about how quickly I go through bath gels and that kind of, I love this type of stuff. It's all things nice. Margot Elena. It is subscription box number 17. I will try and work out when I do editing how long I have been doing this box, what my first box number was, but it's been quite some time. Make a holiday wish. However your holiday, make it perfection. Light up the party scene with our best-selling fragrance. Oh, it's gonna tell me what's in here. There's a fragrance, spoiler alert. And then over here, all it does is basically, it tells us what it is and how much it's worth. Let's dive in. Right on top, we had a few things that weren't wrapped, so we'll do these first. Oh, they might be related. They are 2 Lalia and 1 is Tokyo Milk. I think they're all little hand creams. It's 3 little hand creams. Let's see, let me look at the list and see if that's true. I still don't know. It says assorted petite trio. $25.50. So $25.50 for the 3 of these. Let's open them all up and check them out. So yes, they are tiny, little, adorable. How much are they? Probably an ounce if I was guessing. Hand creams. Nope, they are 0.33 of an ounce. And that is what it looks like. And this one is the Lalia Classic Petal Shea Butter Hand Cream. This is its box, but so cute. I think probably they're sealed. If they are, I'm gonna leave them sealed. They are. They're the little metal seals. I have so many hand creams open because I get these that I'm gonna go ahead and leave these sealed right here at Christmas in case I need a little present. How cute would this be? The next one out we have is another Lalia, and it's always in rose. They are so stinking cute. So they look just like the big ones, but they're littler. Rose and hibiscus is what this is. I love that. That was that little box. The last one is a Tokyo Milk, and it's gin and rose water. I am not hating on that at all. And this one is a different tube. It's not one of the metallic tubes. It's kind of plastic. It has the little gold bottom. That is what that looks like. And it is Tokyo Milk number 12, gin and rose blossom. Let's make sure it's sealed. It is, so we'll go ahead and leave it sealed. Although we are intrigued by gin. Next in, we have, I think, a full-sized hand cream. So we are keeping our hands ship-shape through the winter. Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Sugar, Beet, and Blossom. I love getting this because I have some lotion in this scent. I have a body oil, what I have left of it, in this scent. So I like layering scents, so it works for me. When we get it out, it's another one of those. They use these metal containers, and this has a $26 value. Again, this was a pricey box. This is basically it's a $67 box, $59.99 plus $7 shipping. So $67, you get $200 in value. So you're getting about triple in value what you paid, which if you enjoy this kind of box, is so worth it. Next out, one of my favorites. This is how I discovered the Tokyo Milk soaps. This one is a little bit smaller than the one we normally get. I mean, it's still a good size. Sometimes we get the big ones though. This one is a little smaller. It is another year older, all the wiser. I received number 20. It's got a cute little owl on the front of it on a piece of luggage, kind of Harry Potter-ish. Oh my goodness, it smells so clean and fresh. I love it. Might be the favorite thing of mine in all of these boxes, especially that I've discovered because I have bought several of these on my own. They smell so good and they last a good time. It's not like they just go away. I love my Lush soaps too, but they go away much quicker. Oh, it smells so good. And this has a $10 value. Next out, we have the Tokyo Milk. I think it's Tokyo Milk that does it, yes. Gift cards. We received 3 gift cards. We get these periodically, and they usually give you a variety. Like, the first one is, happy birthday to my favorite drama queen. How stinking cute is that? And this one says, whoopsie daisy. So I guess perhaps if you need to apologize for something, or maybe you missed a birthday. That is so cute. And this one just says hashtag girl boss. So you could just use them like little note cards, and they have glitter on them. Like, I don't know if you can tell, like at her waistband. They're very nice cards. And these have a $16.50 value. I mean, that makes them a little more than $5 each. They're kind of small for that, but I do use them, so they are worth $16.50 to me. Next out, we're getting into the wrapped things. They wrap everything usually to get it to us so nicely, and often, let's see, yes, it is in a bag. In case there's any leakage, they don't want it to ruin your entire box. And this is the Library of Flowers Forget-Me-Not Shower Gel, and it is American Small Batch Perfumery. That is what it looks like. Let's see if we can get the scent on this. Oh, it's sealed. All right. We'll go ahead and unseal it because I use a lot of shower gel. Oh, it just smells very clean and nice. I like that. Not too floral. I've always said if you get this box, you have to like florals. So much of it smells like a floral. But this one just really mostly smells clean. I mean, there is some floral to it. There's always some floral to a Margot Elena. And that is the Library of Flowers, and it has a $23 value. All right, next out, I have a Cottage Greenhouse wrapped very nicely, carrot and neroli whipped body butter. That is what that looks like. It is a big one. It's very heavy. It's in glass, and it is 5.5 ounces. It is not sealed, so we will go ahead and look at it. Look how thick it is. This is so super thick. Oh, that feels good. It's almost got like a cushiony, like, can you guys tell? Probably not because of my lighting. It's got almost a bounce to it. It's so cushiony and nice. Let's see what it smells like. Carrot and neroli. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I like that a lot. I don't smell carrot. And I wouldn't know a neroli if I rolled up on one. But it smells very, very good. It says carrot oil is one of the most rejuvenating oils found in Mother Nature's garden. How do you get oil from a carrot? Loaded with vibrant beta-carotene, vitamin A, B, D, and E, carrot nourishes and helps restore your skin to its natural, vital glow. And this has a $34 value. I believe that because body butters can be expensive. Wow. The difference between my two hands, I'll do this. This is without, this is with. I don't know if you can tell. It is amazing. Next out, we have a bottle of some sort. I can feel it. Also in plastic, so nothing goes amok. And this is the Carrot and Neroli Moisture Rich Shower Oil and Body Wash. So I can do a whole, it's gonna smell like my body butter, and I have a whole situation. I was just saying in another video, I don't think it was this one, maybe it was this one, how much I appreciate layering scents. Oh, that smells good, so I'm gonna love that. Oh, it's sealed. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that sealed until I am ready for it, because we know what the carrot and neroli smells like, but oh, I'm so excited to have a set. How much do they say this is? $23. So cute. It's all so pretty. Isn't it so pretty? All right, and last but not least out of the box, didn't I spoil that there was perfume in here? So now we, yep, now we know it's a perfume. I have grown quite the collection of the Tokyo Milk perfumes because although I do use them, I'm only one body, and I don't use them every day if I'm not leaving. So just by virtue of the fact that we've been getting one in the last few boxes, this one is Radiant Gem. So far, my favorite is Honey, what was it called? Let me know below if you got the box too. Honey Over the Moon, Honey and Moon, Honey and Moon. I'm going with that. Let me know if I'm right. I can't smell it without spraying it, so let's spray it. Okay, only once it starts. If you were here for the Tilly fiasco, we're just gonna spray this once. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, that's very, for a Tokyo Milk, this one is incredibly light. It is number 76, Radiant Gem. They say it's lemon balm, amber, winter daphne, and musk. I wonder what a winter daphne is. Every time I hear daphne, I think about the old show Frasier. This is very nice. This is very, very nice. Sometimes when we get the scents, I enjoy them because I like a muskier, heartier scent, but I sometimes wonder how it will translate for people who like florals or like a lighter scent. This is a lighter, I like it a lot. That, by the way, had a $42 value. So that is my Margot Elena box. Look how pretty. Isn't it so pretty? We have perfume and a hand cream, and then the 3 little hand creams. So cute. The soap, which I know I love. Cards, which I can always use. The Library of Flowers shower gel too. Kind of a repeat to this one, but this one says that it's not just a body wash, but that it's a shower oil. So I suspect they're going to be very different. And then the Carrot Neroli body butter also. So we are ready. Between that and my Lush, we are set. And it has a $200 value. They said exactly $200. Usually it's $201, $204. They say this season though, it is $200. I will put the link below if you have any interest. I am not affiliated with them. They have no type of referral program. I'll just put it down there in case you want to go over and look at it. If it is something that you think you might like, I would not wait until the last minute to pick it up. It always sells out about a month before it ships. So I would purchase it a little bit before. All things nice from Margot Elena. It is their little subscription box. Thank you for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'm gonna go somewhere and just sit and smell good.